How to add and show a digital type clock widget on the home screen for your Samsung phone with Android 15. So after the Android 15 update, you'll notice that the clock widgets for Samsung are no longer expandable and you want something that, well, stands out like this here. So go ahead now into the Play Store. There's an app that's called this here. It's a simple, basic digital clock app that has no ads, nothing like that showing up or interrupt you, okay? So once you have it installed and it's on your device now, let's say you want to go ahead and add it. So in order to add it, once you're here, wherever you are on your home screen, you can long press and go to where it says widgets to the bottom area. Once you're here now, you'll go down the list of all the widgets you have on your phone and you're going to go past all these here. By the way, you can get the Google one if you're interested in that. That's also free. But if you want what you saw early, just go down until you reach to the name of the app, which is this one here. So as you enter here, you're going to either see this one, clock with the date, if you want that one, or the small one with just the time only. So if you go with this one here, you'll press add, and it's going to appear like this here, very small, but you can expand on it. You can pull on it, all right? So if you're wondering how I did that, there's these little orange pinkish tabs on each side. So to get there, let's say you add the clock and you didn't get a chance to expand it, just hold it down. Hold down the widget like this here. And whenever you do this, you'll notice there are some tabs. You may not be able to make it out because of the color of my background, but the tabs are there, these little tabs here on every corner, and you can shrink it up or make it wider like this here. And then you can also move it to another part of your home screen, depending on the size of it. And that's it. That's how you would go about doing this. And like and sub.